Hi, this is Charlene and welcome to the Diva Bar. Today I'm going to share with you the last of the 3 different business building kits that you have access to when you become a distributor with SeneGence. After you've paid your $55 sign-up fee, you have access to 3 different kits, and the one I'm going to share with you today is the Qualified Distributor Kit that gives you a 300 PV order and qualifies you as a SeneGence distributor. Now this is the smallest kit that SeneGence offers to help you jump in and start to build your business right away, so let me show you what's inside. You're going to get 2 different boxes that come to your house, and the first box actually contains your 300 PV order. In that order, you're going to get 12 tubes of lip scents, 9 tubes of Glossy Gloss, 3 tubes of Matte Gloss, and 6 tubes of Oops Remover. Now these are full-sized retail products, so if you want to, you have customers that already know what they want, you can turn around and sell those immediately. But what most people do is actually pop these open and start to use them as testers to build that tester inventory so they can get out and start sharing the product with their friends and family and customers right away. Now if you were to order the 300 PV by itself, you would get your 50% off discount, but you'd be missing out on some great additions that come in this kit, and that's the rest of what I want to show you today. The second box is the lips kit, and that shows up in this beautiful box right here, and inside is our beautiful trademark crocodile SeneGence portfolio that has zipper pockets inside that you can put in your testers and your applicators and your customer receipts, your other business supplies, so you can immediately get out and get your business on the go. It's really, really convenient. Additionally, you're going to get a copy of the Distributor Glamour Demo Guide, which shows you how to share these products with your friends and family and customers and gives you some really great business resources and tools. You'll also get some beauty books so you can get our catalogs into the hands of everyone you meet right away, some sales receipts, some samples of Glossy Gloss so that after people try the color, they can take that with them so they can see exactly how long that color is going to last, some applicators for your lip sense testers, and of course your lip sense testers. You have the choice of a bold kit or a neutral kit, so you'll get to choose between those 2 options, and then you're going to get those 6 shades in our convenient tester size tubes that you can put into your purse and immediately get out and start demoing and sharing and wowing everyone you know. It also comes with an extra tube of Glossy Gloss and another tube of Oops Remover, so you can use those as testers as well. So this is not all. You also get 3 months of the SeneGence site, which is the business website where you can sell to your friends and family and customers directly. They can order their product right from you there. And you're also going to get 3 months of the SeneBiz app. And that app has great pictures and videos and information that you can share with everyone you know and use to help promote your business on social media. So really, really fantastic. Now this kit is $345, but you're actually getting about $830 worth of products, testers, business support, and technology that's going to help you launch your business. So this is a really great option to help you get started right away. This is the Qualified Distributor Kit, and again comes with a 300 PV order and the lips kit and that tech bundle for 3 months as well. Okay, so if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. My information is in the description for the video below, and if you're looking to join a team at SeneGence, I'd invite you to join us, the Kiss This Girls. We're a fantastic growing team, and I absolutely would be honored to help build your business with you and share the journey with you. I've been a distributor for 5 years. I've loved every minute of it, and it would be my pleasure to help you start your journey with SeneGence as well. If you have any questions, definitely let me know. And if you're ready to sign up, all you have to do is go to SeneGence.com, click on Become a Distributor, and then enter my distributor number, 169167. And from there, I can help you get started on your journey. I'm so glad that I was able to share with you the Qualified Distributor Kit today. I look forward to helping you on your journey, and I hope that you'll come visit us again soon. Thanks for stopping by the Diva Bar today. We'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.